splash in your heart, 'cause it's making you sick on the sea. Send me a word and I'll write you a book about love and harmony. How could I know what that message means?